Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your MetaTrader 5 account on Android, or more accurately, what you can actually do since there's no direct logout button. Alright, so let's jump right in. First, you want to make sure you've downloaded and installed MetaTrader 5 from the Play Store and that it's up to date. Once that's confirmed, open the app and you'll land on the main home screen. Now, you want to tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This one. That's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. And from here, you'll see several options like manage accounts, settings, and more. But here's the thing. If you look closely, there's actually no sign out or log out button anywhere. See? Even if you go into settings or manage accounts, you won't find any option to log out. So what you can do instead, the only effective way to log out of MetaTrader 5 is to delete the account connection from your app. To do this, you want to tap the three dot icon next to your account name or from this page. Then you want to select delete account. But don't worry, this doesn't actually delete your trading account itself, it just removes it from the app. Once deleted, you can always add another account or log back in later using your broker's credential. And basically that's it. Since MetaTrader 5 doesn't offer a standard logout option, deleting the account is your best workaround. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!